You're welcome. Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Mo kí gbogbo wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì, mo kí wa ipa kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣeré. Mo kí ẹ̀yin ìyá, mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kí àbúrò. Èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín. Ayé ọpẹ́ yọ ṣe ọlọ́dọ̀ títí náà. Ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, ayé ọpẹ́ a máa yọ fún wa lórí ọmọ, lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa, òun láyé ọpẹ́ ló máa fi máa yọ. Èwo la mú wa fún wa lọ́jọ́ títí òní wípé kí a ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe máa ń ṣe. Yorùbá ni mí, Yorùbá ni ìran mi. Wọ́n ní bí ò bá nídìí obìnrin kì í jákú mọ́lú. Mo kí ẹ̀yin àgbà ẹ forí jì mí, orí ní àmọ́pá ànípààyàn. Now, ìdí òun ni nǹkan tó ṣì ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n ní ẹni tó bá parọ́, tírọ̀ yẹn tó bá pa ẹyọ kan, á fẹ́ ẹyọ kan á fi máa kan, á mẹ́yọ kan á tún fi máa bò ó, títí tírọ̀ yẹn tó máa fi jẹ́ bí 100 or more than that, thousands more than that. Toro máa wá irọ́ náà ló máa fi máa borọ́. Ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ kí ni? Ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ ìlú tá a pè nílùú Nàìjíríà yìí, òun ló jẹ́. Irọ́ ń parọ́ fúnrọ́. Irọ́ ń ṣe kí ni? Irọ́ ń parọ́ fún irọ́, òun ni wọ́n. Bọ̀ èmi àti yín a ti mọ òtítọ́. Bọ̀ kí ló ń kù tó ń dá wa dúró pé ọ̀nà àbáyọ? Number 2, àwa tó ti mọ̀ ọ̀nà àbáyọ, bọ̀ ìgbà wo ló máa jẹ́? Òun ni èmi àti yín. Làwọn ọ̀ndẹ̀lẹ̀ tó wá gbẹ́kẹ̀lé Ọlọ́run kò ní jogún òfò. Bọ̀ àwọn ọ̀gbẹ́kẹ̀lé Ọlọ́run lásán wípé a fò dọ̀wọ́ pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ náà ni. Ìrètí pípẹ́ ó máa ń mọ́kàn ṣáko lọ ni. Màá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa mọ̀ wípé ìgbà wo la bẹ̀rẹ̀, ibo la dé, ibi tá ń lọ ò jìn, torí fúnra wọn ló máa fúnra wọn lóògùn jẹ. Fúnra Nàìjíríà fúnra rẹ̀ òun ló máa lò tó máa fi wó. Òun ló máa lò tó máa fi wó. Ọmọ kékeré ti ń sọ, àgbàlagbà ti ń sọ, omidan ń sọ, kódà gan òyìnbó kan ń sọ wípé ó máa tó wó. Bọ̀ ìgbà wo ni a mọ̀? Àwọn tó ń ṣe ọ̀jẹ̀lú lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ìgbà àwọn náà mọ̀ wípé ó máa tó wó. Ìgbà wo ni a mọ̀ ni? Bọ̀ ó ti di dandan. Torí pé kí ni? Orí ọmọdé, orí àgbàlagbà, orí omidan, orí arúgbó tó ń fìyà jẹ, ó máa jó wó. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní kí ni? Olóòótọ́ ìlú, ìkà ìlú ni. Gbogbo everything, everywhere, every corner ni wọ́n fẹ́ fi pa wá lẹ́nu mọ́. Tó bá ṣeé ṣe, tó bá lè rí agbára láti lè tún fi pa wọ́n tó wà ní abroad lẹ́nu mọ́, á ṣe àtúnṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Wípé àwọn èèyàn tún yìí ń sọ̀rọ̀ lélẹ́yìí o. Òun là ń rí nǹkan oríṣiríṣi tó ń ṣe yìí. Mi ò ní gbà yín lákòókò, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ kí n má mú ẹ̀rí wá. Ẹ̀yin tó bá jẹ́ nígbà àkọ́kọ́ lẹ ṣe alábàápàdé lórí ètò wa. A kí yín káàbọ̀ sórí ètò Dr. Zabby's Talk Show. Ayé ọpẹ́ yọ. Ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, ayé ọpẹ́ máa yọ fún wa, lórí ọmọ, lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa. Láyé ọpẹ́ ló máa fi máa yọ. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti subscribe, ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe. Ọ̀fẹ́ ní gbàlà, free of charge ni. Like dèrè. Mo ti pẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin tí ti bá mi like, torí mo mọ̀ pé ìyá mi bàbá mi kan wà. Láì má ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ, èmi olóòwe of Yorùbá land, ẹ máa ti bá mi like. Lẹ́ṣẹ̀ kí mi pé mo kú ètò, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lèmi náà kí yín pé a kò bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Kò wá ṣe Nnamdi Kanu nìkan lọ́wọ́ yìí lọ lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀. Kò ń ṣe Sunday Igboho nìkan ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Everybody náà, wọ́n ti sún everybody, wọ́n ti sún ọkọ̀ gírí. Kí ló dé? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́? Why? Dúdú. Why tí inú wa tún dúdú bí aṣọ tí mo wọ̀ yìí? Why? Àdúdú inú wa dúdú. A fẹ́ lọ síwájú, àwọn tó wà lókè fẹ́ máa lọ ni. nínú èèyàn thousands tó bá yẹ kán lè fa èèyàn 800 ìnira ló máa jẹ́ fún wọn ní opportunity ẹ̀ wọ́n ní everything tó lè fi fà but tó bá fa èèyàn bí 100 báyìí wọ́n wá ní ẹ̀rí nǹkan tó ṣe ní nǹkan tó fa gangan nìyẹn èmi lé APC èmi ní nǹkan tó ní kálukú wọn máa jẹ ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣóyìnbó wa nǹkan tó fẹ́ jẹ ni ṣé òyìnbó wa nǹkan tó fẹ́ jẹ now tẹ máa fi mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ti ń sún àwọn èèyàn dé ara ògiri àwọn èèyàn gan ti ready láti máa bù wọ́n jẹ ńsìn wípé èyí tẹ́ ṣe ó ti tó kí ló dé ẹ̀yin nìkan náà ń dálé ayé fún ni tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá tiẹ̀ fún wa lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ wa ìyẹn tún wá ní kẹsàn wá di wèrè ni wọ́n ti ń béèrè wọ́n ti ń lanu béèrè question ẹ wá wo ìrẹ́ in short wẹ́ ẹ má jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ jù mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ọlọ́run má bà wá nú jẹ́ áfíríkà nìkan ni irú ẹ̀rí ti ṣẹlẹ̀ now let's go there.
How we go take progress for this country? Only a few people are enriching themselves. Stupendously rich. They don't know what they go do with the money. And they are not investing the money in this country. They are taking the money abroad. They get boiled, they go abroad. Their mess no smell the way they smell. They go abroad. They won't do campaign, they go abroad. Our presidential candidates, they go Chatham House. Who chartered the house? Who are you trying to impress? What is so special about England? Bunch of crooks and criminals. Barbaric human beings that... Make when I see Australia don't dodge come out from England now. Australia will get sense. Because they are people. Their education, they're important to them. They apply them. We here, we they worship England. The King of England come here the other day. People, they run up and down. Waiting. Not be son of Queen Elizabeth. If una know wetin Queen Elizabeth and her family do Nigeria, una no go knight them. Una wait Abacha loot. Who be Abacha abi Achaba? They say they recover money from Abacha loot. Yet money where they talk say they recover, it pass Nigeria budget. Yet Nigeria still they borrow money, waiting then take the money do if not be lie. Nigeria, once they won't destroy you, they go give dog a bad name in order to hang it in the public and nobody will sympathize with you. Me, where they here? Because I help soldiers where they dismiss.
Yes, sir.
They go write letter to the president and commander-in-chief about me. Say I won't commit treason and felony. Say I gather soldiers where they dismiss in their thousands. They don't know what I don't do with them, and they don't know what they plan to do with them. If not be say DSS no be like Nigerian army. Now facts then they work with and evidence. Therefore don't kill me quietly. And if to say that thing come out, they say maybe I gather them when we want to do coup, I be we want to do something. Some of them go cost me join. Say, hey, he won't done too much. So he gathered these retired dismissed soldiers. Some of these dismissed soldiers, they dismiss them unlawfully. Some of them lawfully. Some of them admit here, say they do bad. But they seek for pardon. One of them talks, say, if they fit forgive Boko Haram, call out repentant Boko Haram. Now Nigerian army, they no go forgive. He talk and body weak me. You go there here, German national. You go carry plenty police, plenty army. They go use your own uniform men. They intimidate you in your own country. Now Nigeria be the country where you go come register as a foreigner as a Lebanese, as a Chinese, as a Cotonese, as a Togolese, you can register and be given mining license in Nigeria. You alone, a foreigner,
100%.
no Nigerian citizen is involved in the company.
Yes, 100%.
Mining is a very sensitive thing in any country. Now, Nigeria, you go come register company 100% as a foreigner.
Yes, sir.
You cannot try this in Dubai.
No.
If you get company, even where then they repair shoe, you must get a Dubai citizen as a major shareholder. You know they do anything, but now you get major shareholding. You do so much in they pursue you, you take over the company. Qatar, recently, a Nigerian, not too long ago, a Nigerian started a restaurant,
yes,
like
sir.
small, can't grow the restaurant, African restaurant, big restaurant. The Qatarian, where they force on them, do one thing, they pursue and come back to Nigeria. They seize the company.
Yes, sir.
How many foreign companies there for Nigeria when we say, you get one company where pay compensation to one family?
Zeba said.
When we start the company, now furniture company, come turn construction company, come turn to estate development company, come talk to mining company. Only in Nigeria you can see that rubbish because some of our leaders are so useless and so.
You know, we are ordinary president. We are talking about money. Government said then they look for money, they go borrow.
See money for ground for Nigeria.
The money where then they extract from Nigeria in the name of illegal mining, or even the one where they say na legal mining. Government know they get 5% of the money.
What of our oil?
They know they get
Nigeria
5%.
now be country where get oil, where the oil they useless to the country.
If for
God go bless us with something, we go hunger go they kill us. Yes, please.
For solid mineral, if they even try do a little as they do for oil, make it be say at least maybe 30% of waiting, then they extract from Nigerian soil, they enter.
Ogaranya.
Yes, sir.
Nigerian oil. Nigeria is not benefiting up to 10%. In case you don't know. What Nigeria is getting out of its oil, where God bless us, is less than 5%. Now, thief, then they thief the oil. Time don't reach where we go open all these people nyash. And we go do national prayer. All the people, both the ones will be Muslims, will be our leaders. The ones will be Christians, will be our leaders. And others. We go do bad prayer for their head. We go do them.
They give them license.
They go,
they go. And the same country they go borrow money from the other countries.
The Nigerian police has arrested 113 foreigners over sophisticated cybercrime operations. It means that they are doing different kind of crimes that has even put Nigeria in insecurity measures. And guess what? These people that were arraigned, 113, they have all been released under bail. But if it were Nigerians, if they catch you, you will stay 5 years awaiting trial and 20 years in prison. They have released these people who has put Nigeria in insecurity measures, cybercrime, money laundering, internet fraud, all sorts of frauds. And they have released them because they are foreigners. These are the same white people that have labeled Nigerians #1 when it comes to cybercrime and internet fraud. They are the same people coming into Nigeria to commit this crime. This is the opportunity for you to nail them and send them to prison. You are releasing them. These are the people that will go there and be calling Nigerians all sorts of names. Now that they commit this crime for the countries. And you release them. But if Nigerians abroad commit this crime, would they see the light of day? Or they will rot in jail? If Nigerians even commit this crime in our own country, would they be granted bail? How come 113 people that has put Nigeria in a big mess are being released after they have done so much effort to arrest them? Anytime Nigerian police want to make us proud, they will do like this and they will drop it down, can't use their leg, take pieces and finish.
It came to my knowledge that there is a charge that had been fraudulently preferred against me before a court in Ekiti State at the instance of Chief Afe Babalola. this charge had been fraudulently preferred, hidden from view, and the court had purportedly demanded my presence multiple times, and I had failed to appear before this court. And this court had then proceeded to issue a bench warrant for my arrest. This is classic Afe Babalola. I detailed his corruptive influence in my book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System. And what he has done is exactly what he has always done in hiding, but he has done it this time again. And the calculations were that I would have been picked up, taken before this judge who must have either been compromised or misled in Ekiti. And I would have been remanded in prison custody for being somebody who was meant to face trial and who had refused to bring himself to court. I am reliably informed that social media influencers had been paid to spin these narratives after my arrest. Human rights activists have been positioned to start speaking after my arrest, including one Agbaya. High offices in this country have been compromised in pursuit of my person. High offices, from the Inspector General's office, because the police have been subverted. The Attorney General of the Federation needs to examine himself because his office has been somehow linked to this as well. I do not know if the presidency is directly involved in this, and I will not make frivolous charges. But high offices have been subverted in pursuit of a criminal purpose. I have committed no crime, done nothing wrong. If I have committed any wrong for which the state requires my attendance in a court or at a police station, they know exactly where I live. I will live only once, but I will not live cowering to any man. Let us be clear. If and when I have a charge to answer before a court, you all know where I live. I'm not hiding, and I'm not running away from anybody. Let us be very clear about that. I will never run away from Nigeria. We all have to pretend that we are in a democracy, and we have to pretend that we are citizens, and we have to pretend that we are a country ruled by law. And by all means, you will pretend that we are. I have done nothing. And if I have a charge that should be preferred against me, bring it on. I'm happy to come to court to have my day. If there is a crime, there must be justice, not only for the person who is aggrieved. There must be justice for the accused. And there must also be justice for the system. This is not how to build a rule-based system, where the system itself becomes so criminal that policemen were engaged in criminality.
But why did you hit his car now?
You are drunk. You are drunk. You are drunk. As a official, you are drunk this hot afternoon.
You can imagine.
See what you have done Nigeria to. You hit this car. And you beg him.
Oh my God.
And you know, road safety, should you be driving and drinking? You are drunk already. And you are begging. You are begging. You can flip forward. Carry this car, please do one.
Yeah, just carry this motor, go back home.
What's wrong? You are well drunk. It's another one. Are you going over this country too? This is the best you guys have done this country too. Everything you say is one. Are you president? See what I'm talking this country to be.
I'm sorry, bros.
You can imagine a road safety official or the two-star official. You are dead drunk this afternoon. Did this car 3 times.
I'm sorry.
Another case of interest, and that should be of interest to Nigerians, and which for us is very disturbing, is a case involving the arrest of a suspect who procured anti-tracking equipment. These are equipments that have the capacity to silence the transmission capacity of your phones. This is an equipment that we call locally a jamming equipment. And so with this equipment are able to move stolen vehicles from one place to another and keep the tracking systems in those stolen vehicles inactive.
Johnson Aifa from Benue State.
How old are you?
I'm 36 years old.
Are you a graduate?
No.
Okay, so how did you come about this jamming thing?
I bought it online through Jumia.
How much did you buy it?
How much?
How much? Yes.
Yeah, don't mention that. How many did you buy?
I bought 3.
Okay. For what purpose? Do you have you are IRT staff?
No, I'm not an IRT staff.
So what are you doing?
When these people want to bring car for me, when they rob car, they put it in the car, they on it. Once they on it, it will make the car not to be tracked. So they'll bring it to me. I don't rob. They always take cars, they bring to me and I buy. I buy stuff.
So how do you use this thing? How does it work so that you said they bring car?
Once they rob car, they'll put this in the car and turn it on. Once they turn it on, the car will not be able to. They won't be able to track the car off on the road. See, you get to the destination.
Now, why did you buy this thing?
I bought it for that purpose. For each time they want to aid them to bring car to me.
So how many vehicles are they brought to you? And what kind of vehicles?
They brought five vehicles to me. And
what type of vehicles?
2 Venza, Toyota Venza, 1 RX 350 Lexus Jeep, 1 RS 330, and 1 Corolla.
So how much did you buy each of those vehicles?
Each of those vehicles, I buy it according to how much it is. Like the Venza, I buy it 800,000.
And the other one?
The Lexus?
Yes.
The Lexus too, I buy it 800,000.
The V what?
The Venza, I said 2 Venza, so I buy the Venza 800,000. I buy the 350 to 800,000. And I buy the 330, RS 330, 600,000.
So
I buy the Corolla 400,000.
So how do you now sell them? When you want to sell them, how much do you sell them?
Like the Venza, I bought 800,000. I sold it at 2 million, but the guy paid me 1.6.
Where did you sell it?
I sell it here in Abuja, in Kuje, precisely.
What are the other ones?
The others, like the RS 350, I didn't sell it before IRT apprehended us. It was not sold.
How long have you been doing this?
No, I started this around May this year.
Did you ever envisage that the police will arrest you?
No.
How were you arrested? Just give us a brief.
Yes, I was arrested in the last transaction.
Leave that one.
Okay,
What is your advice?
wait, no, they ask that one.
I want to ask you, this one, do you have any other technology?
These businesses, I needed money. I needed to raise money.
Then your advice to car owners?
What is your advice to other criminals?
Yes, my advice to other criminals is crime doesn't pay. Car owners. Car owners. My advice for them is they should avoid late movement, unnecessary late movements, because all of these activities do take place in the nights.
Mo kẹ́yìn ìyá, mo kẹ́yìn bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kí àbúrò. Èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín, ayọ̀ pẹ́yọ. Ṣé ọlọ́dẹ̀ ti ní náà olówó of Yorùbá land? Nice one. Etí wa ò ní gbọ́ bí, ojú wa ò ní rí bí o, wọn ò ní gbòkó ọmọ káwa mọ́lé. Ẹ bá mi type sínú comment section. Àmì àṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ó dìgbà kan náà. Kí Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ó jẹ́ ká tún máa ní ọjọ́ rere. A kò palẹ̀ mọ́ ọdún. Adébáwa láyé, Adébáwa láàyè, àní ṣe nínú ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n, àní rògbìn ìbànújẹ́. Ọdún tuntun ló ń bọ̀ lọ́nà yìí. A máa kó ire wọnú ẹ̀ ní. Èyí tá wá kó wọnú ẹ̀ kò ní dágbére fún wa. Èyí tá fẹ́ kó láti 2024, a máa kó wọ 2025 ni. Ọlọ́run ò ní fi kan gbà kan lọ́wọ́ wa. Àwọn ènìyàn ní yí kádàrá wa padà sí bá a ṣe fẹ́. Ó ṣàmì ọ̀rẹ́ mi, ó ṣàmì ìyá mi àti bàbá mi kẹgbí tó ẹni. Ẹ̀yin arúgbó wa, ẹ túbọ̀ pẹ́ fún wa lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ojú ò ní tì yín, ojú ò ní tì wá. A ní gbọ̀n sọnù lẹ́yìn yín lágbára lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè. God bless you. One love. Bye for now. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti share, láti tẹ like, láti tẹ love, láti fi comment sílẹ̀. God bless you. One love. Bye for now.
You're welcome. Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.